Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on TikTok. First, open your TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here you just need to tap on that three horizontal line button at the top right corner. Now tap on the settings and privacy. Now, from the account section you will find privacy option here, and you just need to scroll down, and in interaction section you will find this direct message option. Let me show you again. So here it is, direct message. Now tap on it, and here you will find that read status. So if you just turn it off from here, then that's mean you have turned off the read receipt on your TikTok account, so the persons don't get the alert about that you have read their message, or they don't get know that if you have read their message or not. So that's how you can just easily turn off read receipt on TikTok. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.